Nag-send ko og survey nga question sa mga top performers o mga top earners sa usa ka kumpanya. Og mao ni ang akong nakuha nga result. Mao ni ang top 3 reasons nganong ni-start sila sa business. If you have the same reason, you could become also a top earner. Number 3, freedom. Top earners, top performers in any business are looking for time freedom and financial freedom. At dahil dyan, yung mga top performers ng mga tao, alam kasi nila yung capacity nila. Alam kasi nila yung value nila. Kaya gusto nilang bilhin back yung time nila. At the same time, they want to be financially free. Financially free means you have the choice to buy what you not only need, but also what you want. Second reason, independence. Hindi yung ayaw nilang may kasama sila, pero yung pwede nilang gawin, yung dapat nilang gawin. Most of the top performers kasi, mga bata pa. Kaya gusto nila, independent sila, kaya nilang buhayin yung sarili nila. At they could also provide for their family as young as they are because they are breadwinners already. And the number one reason is chance. Yung chance na magbago yung buhay. Yung chance na pwedeng umasenso. Yung chance na pwede mong mabili yung mga gusto mong bilhin. Yung chance na walang qualifications, walang discrimination, no age limit, chance na makabili ng bahay, makabili ng sariling sasakyan, sariling lupa, at chance na mag-travel kasama yung family, at chance na baguhin yung future mo na akala mong hindi na talaga magbabago o wala ng chance.